So I sold my beloved NSX on Cars and Bids. It was my baby, my NA1. I'm a huge NSX fan. And it went great. Like, can't complain. Everything went great on Cars and Bids. And then I sold my R33 GTR on Cars and Bids. But when I was looking around, I saw that it said, do you want your car inspected? And I was like, what does that mean? So I clicked on it. It says, get a limit squad inspector to come out and look at your car. And I was like thinking, reverse engineering automatically happened. I was like, well, who's going out and looking at cool cars? Because I want to do that. Like, that would be amazing. So I went on the website, reached out to them, told them that I'm a AC master certification. My son Max is always making fun of me because at home he's like, oh, Papa Master Tech. And I'm like, stop making fun of me. I reached out to Lemon Squad and I said I would love to be part of it. And I live in a small town in Grand Junction. It's not very big. And they're like, oh, we don't know how many jobs we have in your area, but let's do it. So Lemon Squad hired me, and then I had to download an app because that's how you do your inspections, and then read their welcome packet. And I waited because, again, in a bigger city, I'm assuming you get a job right away. So about a week later, I get like a notification, like, you have an inspection. It was for a minivan. And I was like, ooh, this is exciting. So like I started to read everything to make sure I was doing everything right. I called the Honda dealership, told them, I kind of felt cool because I was like, I'm an inspector. I'm coming to inspect this car. And it was for a lady out of town, I think in Utah, who was buying this minivan. She couldn't look at it. She really wanted it. It was like a Honda Odyssey. Apparently, like, Honda Odyssey fans are Honda Odyssey fans. So she contacted Lemon Squad for somebody to look at it. So I go over there and they put this car in a parking lot. And I start my inspection. Well, the crazy thing is that there's a lot of stuff that this lady did not know, like a lot. First off, there was literally a scratch because in a Honda Odyssey, they have like these doors that automatically open like this. It's actually pretty cool. Probably great for like kids and stuff like that, like a whole soccer team. But there was a scratch from like the passenger front door all the way back, and you could not see it in the pictures. And the crazy thing is that when you're looking at pictures, sometimes, depending on the angle, you're gonna miss a scratch, a big scratch. I was like, oh, this scratch, I wouldn't even touch this car because this scratch goes from this to this, and you're gonna have like 4 or 5 panels you're gonna have to paint. And it's not a small scratch. It's like an ex-girlfriend scratch. So then I started doing my inspection. What we do is we literally start at one corner and go all the way around. We're looking at tires, we're looking at brakes, we're looking at wheels, we're looking at paint condition, we're looking at windows, trims, and we're touching everything. There's something really important to say, and I learned this in the military, is don't ever look at anything, touch something, actually work it, actually activate it, press it. And so I was opening up handles, making sure that the back has that automatic door, that the hatch, make sure that closes and opens. And as a matter of fact, that one was having a little bit of an issue closing because it's supposed to be like a soft close, and it was kind of like getting stuck a little bit. So jotted it down. So then I came around, started the vehicle, looked at everything, and overall the vehicle looked pretty good, but the big thing was the scratch. And I remember it because it was my first inspection, and I had a chance to write in my report, and then I had a chance to actually call her, which was pretty cool because she wasn't just getting a report. Like, I had a chance to call her and let her know, like, this has a huge scratch, and if you didn't know the size of it, or if it was downplayed, or if you didn't get a good picture of it, I don't want you to have that surprise. No, she didn't end up buying it, which was great because I felt like I did my job. I felt like I saved her from getting a van that she was gonna be excited about, but now she was gonna have a scratch from one end of the car to the other. And so I was really excited about that, and I know she was a little sad not to get the van, but I think we helped her out in the end. It's not a full-time job. I would consider it a gig job, but like a super gig job, like a super cool one, a fun one, something like you get paid to go like be an investigator, an inspector. So you could be hanging out at home or at work and you get an inspection and you essentially have about a day to set up a time to go look at the vehicle. And you could do that, you have to call the dealership or the person who has the car and arrange that time. So the great thing about Lemon Squad is that you could hire somebody to actually go look at a car in a day's time, which is really cool because like I was saying earlier, pictures don't do justice. Having somebody actually look at the car is worth a million pictures. You also have chances to do mechanical inspections, which is really cool. And that's where you go verify that something is wrong for a warranty company. So let's say a warranty company wants you to go look at a car and that the shop is saying that the transmission's bad. Your job is to go over there and make sure that the shop is actually right and you're diagnosing that problem for the warranty company to make sure that everything's legit. And I like that because it saves everyone money at the end of the day because the person who's buying the warranty contract isn't going to have to spend a lot of money. And I think it's a very necessary part of the industry because there needs to be some checks and balances. At the end of the day, we need to make sure that everybody is having that integrity, and Lemon Squad offers that to make sure that everyone is being fair and that somebody's going in there and just double checking, making sure that that repair is actually necessary. Now, one of the things I love about Lemon Squad is it like ties into everything that I'm doing. I'm an AC certified master tech going for my world-class certification. I'm an automotive instructor. I'm doing YouTube stuff, DIY technical stuff, but I also love when I get the message that I have to go do a job for Lemon Squad because it's one of those things that pays, but it's fun, and I'm also learning, and I think it's just a great opportunity for any technician out there. Now, when you're buying a car on Cars and Bids, having somebody going out there to look at it, to actually get their eyes on it, touch stuff, hear the engine, they could sometimes save you thousands of dollars or even save you a complete headache by showing you something that you might have not seen in the picture. They're gonna help you buy smart. Now, I'm not only here in VINwiki to tell stories, I'm actually gonna inspect 6 of Ed's own personal cars that he's gonna be selling on Cars and Bids.
This month of VINwiki content is brought to you by Premier Financial Services, and they are the perfect partner in your journey to own your dream car because their Simple Lease is the most powerful tool in the world of exotic car financing. You'll get all the benefits of a leasing structure like lower payments and better tax treatment, along with everything we love about a normal exotic car loan where you can trade in and out at any time, always know where you stand thanks to their amortization table, and accumulate equity for whenever you're finished and ready for the next car. And Premier is great because they're wholly owned and backed by First Financial Bank, which means they have more buying power than any other exotic car bank or collector car bank in the United States, and their customer service is unmatched. Also, rates are lower than they have been in a very, very long time, so it's never been a better time to reach out to Premier, talk to their representatives, learn what you can pre-qualify for, and let them help you own the car of your dreams with Premier Financial Services.